So here we have Debbie from Minnesota. She's a mom who's brought her kids down to the island, and so we're going to ask her a few questions about what she thought of Sandcastle lessons. So Deborah, so why South Padre Island?
After 3 years of visiting Grandma and Grandpa, we knew we needed more activities for our growing children, and Sandcastle building was the best option.
All right, so why a Sandcastle lesson?
They like to be outside. From Minnesota, we needed something other than snow, and Andy was the perfect match.
What did you think when your wife chose a Sandcastle lesson?
I thought it was going to be a great idea. The kids loved it.
Okay.
And it was a good family activity too. We got to sort of work together a little bit.
With grandparents.
With grandparents too. Yeah, they're out guarding the castle now.
So they're outside guarding the castle, that's great. And where else should you put your grandparents? Obviously, leave them on a beach. And so what do you think the kids got out of it?
I think they got to explore their creativity. I think in the end they got to see just what they were able to build with their hands and learn a few new skills.
Right.
And learn how to use tools.
Yep. Yeah. Well, that's the tool.
Andy, you did a great job with that. I think they felt like they really accomplished something.
And bringing the science and physics element into it.
Yeah.
The classroom, the outdoor classroom.
So why South Padre? What do you like so much about Padre? We know your parents are here, but why do you like South Padre?
Well, it's just easy. Everything's very comfortable. The people are very friendly. The beach is great, wide open space, and it's just a great place to spend time with the family.
There you go.
It's easy to get to, and what's not to like?
Well, exactly. Is there any way you think we could improve?
No, I think you're great with the kids, Andy, and that was the most important thing. And patient, and you took the time to explain how to do the work, and it was the right balance of us doing the work and you showing us how.
Yeah.
And it was the best 3 hours probably of the vacation that we're going to have. So
that's right.
Thank you so much.
You chose a 3-hour lesson. Why did you choose a 3-hour lesson?
Our kids ages 7 and 9. We weren't quite certain if they were ready, but this was definitely perfect for them.
Well, we didn't want to get to 2 hours and think, boy, that's it.
Right.
We wanted to make sure we got the full.
That's right.
As big of a sandcastle as we could make.
I try and explain that to people. There is a difference between a 2-hour lesson and a 3-hour lesson, and it enables you to finish yours like you did properly with the rocks around the bottom. It's a phenomenal castle because it's completely finished.
To make it picture perfect, it takes a good half an hour, so that's part of the lesson. And I think a sign of success is the fact that the children were teaching other spectators how to make the spheres and really cool pieces. So when they are teaching other people how to use the tools, that's success.
Yeah, well, your daughter is sublime at that, the sphere making, I have to say. So you can just bring her back and drop her off in 10 minutes and that'll be fine.
It's a pretty amazing thing when you're making something and the rest of the people wandering the beach think it's neat enough to stop and watch.
Oh, yeah.
So I think the kids will have a lasting memory of that.
There'll be hundreds of people who take pictures of your castle today.
Right. Well, thank you, Andy.
No problem at all. My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
And thanks for coming to sandcastlelessons.com and South Padre Island. We'll see you again next year.
Definitely.
Excellent.